Today in this video we are going to create a password input field. You will see this type of password input field on lots of websites where you can display and hide the password. Here we have this icon. If I click on this one, it will display the password, and if I click again, it will hide the password. And this icon is also changing from close eye icon to open eye icon. And in this input field, if I write something, it is displaying like this, and if I click here, it will hide this one. So we will learn to create this toggle password using HTML, CSS and very simple JavaScript. So before starting this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Now let's start the video. Here in this folder, I have one HTML file, one CSS file and two icons. You can find these icons download link in the video description. Let me open these files with my code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. You can use any code editor. So this is the HTML file where I have added the basic HTML structure, and this one is the CSS file where I have added the margin padding, font family and box sizing. In this HTML file, here we have the title for the web page, and this is the link tag that will connect the HTML and CSS file, because here I have added style.css, the file name of the CSS file. Next, we will add the code in the body tag. So here within this body tag, we will add one div with the class name input box. In this input box, there will be one input field. So we will add the input, and input type will be password. And after that, we will add the placeholder. And in this placeholder, we will add the text that will be displayed inside the input field. So it will be password. Let's come to the CSS file, and here we will add the body, and for this body we will change the background color. So write background and one color code. After that, come back to the web page. You can see different color on the complete web page. Now we have to move the position of this input field. So just come back, and here we have the class name called input box. So just copy this class name, write it here in this CSS file. Here we will add the background. Background will be triple F, which is white color. And after that, we will add width. It will be 90%, and maximum width will be 500 pixel. After that, border radius will be 5 pixels so that the corners will be round, and some padding to add space inside the box. So 10 pixel from top and bottom and 20 pixel from left and right side. And let's add the margin 300 pixel and auto. So we will get space 300 pixel from top and bottom, and it will be horizontally center. So you can see this box here. In this one, we have to add one icon also. That will be eye close icon or eye open icon. So let's come back, and in this HTML file, after this input field, we will add one icon with the img tag. Write the file path eye close dot png. So you can see this icon. Next, we have to align it. So just come back, and in this input box, we will add display, flex and align items center. Now you can see it is in the same horizontal line. Next, we have to increase the width of this input field, and we will decrease the width of the icon. So just come back, and again add this class name input box, and in this input box we have the input field with the tag name input. Here we will add width. Width will be 100%, so it will use the all space available in the row. Then we will add the padding. That will be a space inside the input box. After that, we will add border 0 and outline 0. Let's increase the font size 24 pixels so that it will be clearly visible, and we will change the color also. Next, again add that class name input box, and here we have the img tag. So for the icon we have to add the width 35 pixel and cursor will be pointer. After adding this, again come back to the website. So you can see this input field looks good. Here we can add anything, and here we have the close icon. Next we have to add the click feature that will display this password and hide this password. For that, just come back and come to the HTML file. Now in this input we will add one ID. So let's add the ID called password. And in this icon also we will add one ID. So the ID is icon. After that, just above this closing body tag, here we will add the script tag, script open and closing tag. Here we will create variables. So write let icon equal to document.getElement by ID. Add this ID. Duplicate this line and we will change it as password and password. So we have two variables here. After that, we have to add the click feature on the icon. So here we will add icon dot on click equal to function. Now whenever we will click on the icon, it will call this function, and whatever code will be written in this function, that will be executed. So first we have to check whether the password is visible or hidden. For that, in this input field you can see I have added type is equal to password. It means the password will be hidden, and here if I write type is equal to text, then it will become visible. So here by default we have the type password, it means it is hidden. So we will add the same thing here. Here we will check if write this password to identify that element dot type. So it will check the type of that element, and if it will be equal to password, so the type is equal to password, then it will change it to the text. Write password dot type equal to text. So if there is password, then it will change it as text, and if there is text, then it will change it as password. So again copy this one. Here we will add else condition and write password. That's it. After adding this, again come back to the website, and here if I write something and click on this icon, you can see it is displaying the text, and if I click again, it is hiding this text. So this display and hide password is working fine. Now we have to update this icon also. Right now you can see if I click here, this icon is not changing. So we have to change this icon when we click on this icon. For that, again come back, and here you can see if the password type is text, it means it is visible. Then here we will add the icon. So take this variable icon dot src equal to, and through this src we can update the icon. So here we will add open dot png. That's it, and copy this one, add it here in this else condition, and it will be close.png, close.png. That's it. So it will update the icon also. After adding this, again come back to the website, and if I write something here Then click on this icon. You can see the icon is changing. Here we have open eye icon. It means password is visible, and if I click here, it will become close eye. It means the password is hidden. So finally we have completed this toggle password using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.